Hello friends and welcome back to my channel My Creative World. Today I am going to make a maths project on squares and cubes. It will be a very easy project and you can use this in your maths exhibition too, which may be held in your school. The things we need for this are a cardboard, a colored sheet depending on the size, scissors, glue, cutter for cutting the cardboard, and pipes. Now I have cut the cardboard from here in a square shape, and this too. Here the number will show, and here from this place I will pull the number out. Now I will paste this on it. Now I will cut here also and then paste it. Now I will paste it here like this. Here I will draw one closed eye. Now I have pasted red color over it on the both sides to make it more brighter, and I have drawn another closed eye to make it more attractive. Now I have cut two holes, one for the answer as you can see as pink and the other for pulling out the tongue. I have also cut one square hole at the top for numbers like 2, 3, 4 from 2 to 20. I have attached two pipes on the both sides for making it easier to roll. I have put the squares and cubes in this model, and in the tongue I have mixed the answers and the squares and cubes also. I am making this as a game, so I have mixed the answers, not exactly in order, but if you are making a model you should put the squares or the cubes in order. If you're making a model, do it like this, as you can see 2 and then there is the square 4. Now you can also rotate it, and at the back side of this model I have made cubes. I'll roll the upper part for the numbers like 4, and I will pull the tongue for the answers. It is a very creative idea and you can also try it for the model, school projects or exhibitions also. When we are in class 8 standard, these cubes and squares are there in our as our chapters, and some people may find it difficult to understand or make sure to remember them. So with the help of this model you can help to better understand it. As you can see also the mechanism, it's very simple and very easy to handle. So now you can also make some model like this for your school's exhibition or any game competitions, etc. So now if you have got any maths project containing squares and cubes from school, you can use this idea and make this project or it as a game. If you have found this idea helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to write in the comment how you have liked this idea. Bye till the next video.